Hello everyone and welcome to Passionately Designed. This video will showcase fall decor featuring warm leathers, mixed metals, and a traditional fall color palette of browns, reds, yellows, and oranges. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Before we get into the room reveal, I wanted to show you all the space before the transformation. I normally style our downstairs living area for guests to enjoy. However, I thought decorating the upstairs family room for fall would inspire me to come up with a permanent design concept for the space. As you can see, the space is sparsely decorated. The walls need to be patched, repainted, and dressed with portraits and artwork. The shelves are a stark white with very little decor, and the back corner of the space was being utilized as storage for baby essentials and workout equipment. When designing this space, I wanted the fall decor to blend in with the existing decor. And to keep costs low, I repurposed decor from other parts of my home, along with using some fall decor from last year. As you see, my style is mainly industrial with a touch of vintage. I love styling a room with metals and gray tones while warming the space up with leather and wood. That way, I can always add a splash of color when I want to change things up without completely redesigning the room. My goal is to design spaces that are timeless. Although the mineral tones are popular this fall, I love the traditional fall color palette. I wanted the space to be representative of what I love most about fall. I wanted to focus on the natural elements of fall, the crunch of the leaves beneath my feet, the cool, crisp breeze blowing through my hair, and the scents of apples, acorns, and cinnamon. I wanted the space to touch on every human sense. The corner nook is an intimate space where you can relax with a book, look out the window at the birds and the beautiful sycamore trees, or enjoy a hot cup of coffee or cocoa on a cool fall morning. Joann Fabrics had an assortment of metal and leather fall decor that complements my style to a T. The metal birds, leaves, lanterns, wall clocks, and leather pumpkins incorporates the industrial look I love. The pops of yellow and orange soften the space while warming it up with those tones found in nature. The prints on the wall were an inexpensive way to add artwork. Who needs expensive art when you can download customizable prints from Etsy? clock displays a time in a different time zone featuring the time where I am currently and where I'm going in the future. The foliage adds another layer of nature and function. The leaves and stems help to bring the outside in, while the pine cones, acorns, and many pumpkins are actually potpourri that fills the air with fall-like scents. I love how this space turned out, and honestly, the camera does it no justice. I have created a warm and inviting space for my family to gather, to watch movies, play games, or just lounge. I hope you all enjoyed watching my fall decor video, and I hope that it has inspired you in some way to decorate your space for fall. Thanks for watching, and farewell until next time.